I want you to watch this video. I want you to watch this video. See how this representative from United Nations was addressing House of Assembly members on issue concerning election and how they are going to deal with any of the company or any other people that participate in corruption when it comes to election. My own thought is this: he would have just arrested all of them at the same time, because if you look at the election, it is all of them, all these National Assembly members, all of them put together in one party or the other, that participated in election malpractices. Also watch this other one from the north, where 2 years old or 5 years old, I don't even know whether 4 or 2 or 3, casting vote for election, and how his father was also thumb printing and putting it into that. What kind of thing is that one? I need to watch that video. Watch the text message that was sent to Peter Obi. Watch that video. You'll be so amazed to talk about that corruption. I thought he was right there to pack all of them and go and jail them. See, this issue with One Nigeria issue is not going to help. No matter how they said it, the corruption will not cease. Corruption with One Nigeria will never stop. All we are asking is give us Biafra. If he has said in that place, with all the entourage he came with from UN, and said, today we want to declare Biafra, we want Biafra people to go, it would have been easy. It would have been more better for us. What is there talking about arresting who? Who is going to arrest who? Who is going to arrest who? After he finished talking, he will go back to United Nations House in Europe. And they will start dealing with the poor masses. That is where you see police now with too much power. That is where you see soldiers with too much power, beating and harassing the poor people on the street. The same poor people they gave one naira and 1 liter of gari and rice to vote for them and to help them to see ballot boxes. Why are you talking to these people? Why are you addressing them, telling them on how to arrest them? Arrest them at the same time. Don't waste time in packing them. Pack all of them, because they're all criminals. I'm not going to waste your time, my viewers. Watch that video. When you watch it, subscribe. Subscribe to this, subscribe to the. I'm bringing you more. We are talking about Biafra. Give us Biafra, they will leave you alone.
Noted that there have been abuses of incumbency, where those who wish to organise rallies where governors are not of the same party, that they have been hindered in some way. We have seen instances in which there have been intimidation, and therefore we took note of these issues, and these fall well short of international standards that Nigeria has set for itself. And we would encourage these cases to be prosecuted, because impunity it discourages people from taking part, and this is not up to the standards of inclusivity that we want to see in these elections. Well, there was 2 peace accords, in fact, and as you rightly note, there was a peace accord last week, and the sentiments of that peace accord are something that we would fully echo in the European Union, and we want to see political participants making very clear statements and not tolerating the type of intimidation that was going on in certain places. And our observations were that there was intimidation going on, and that it was intended to suppress voter turnout, and that's a very serious issue, and it falls well short of the standards that Nigeria sets itself. But there should be very clear pathways to prosecution for those who carried this out. There should be very clear provisions within the Electoral Act about electoral offences and intimidation of this sort. So we would take note of that, and we will be part of the final report and conclusions and recommendations that we'll make at the end of this process in a few months.
Nan za ka sa.